right, let me just get this lemon juice all over. Wash this rawness off. I'm just gonna rinse it off with some lemon juice and water, and just like I said, kill some of that rawness. Fish seasoning to this, just season generously, probably about a 1.5 teaspoon. I'm also doing the same for the all-purpose Maggi, about a teaspoon to 1.5 teaspoon, because I'm gonna also add another teaspoon of the Maggi to the pot. I'm also using It's just gonna start springing its own juice. You can also well, sometimes I use wine. I don't have any more stone ginger wine on hand. Wine goes great with seafood. All right, so that's another alternative. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my tricolor peppers to this, and the shrimp and the lobster should be ready in about 7 minutes. And I add the carrot first because it's harder, so these ingredients will cook really quick. I'm just adding about a 1/4 cup of water to this, and I'm gonna cover it up and be right back. All right, so the shrimp and the lobster has been cooking on medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. Everything looks so delicious. Oh my God, it tastes so good. All right, the rice is already cooked to the side. I have another video coming up next showing you the full version of the rice. And as always, thank you again for watching. If you like what you saw today, go ahead and comment, share, like, hit that notification bell. See you on the next video.